Engineering drawings for electrical circuits, also referred to as electrical drawings, are maps or blueprints for electricians that show the placement of the electrical components in a house, building, or even an entire city. An electrical drawing is created in a universal language that is understood by all electricians. This language helps with correct and safe installation of wiring and equipment. Electrical drawings use special symbols to represent different electrical components. For example, a circle with a cross inside represents a ceiling light, and a single line with a break represents a switch. These symbols are like shorthand for electricians, saving time and space on the drawings. Lines on the drawings show the path of electrical wires. The different types of lines represent the different types of wires, such as those carrying power or those used for grounding. To understand what each symbol and line means, the drawings include a legend. A legend is like a dictionary for the drawing, explaining each symbol and line type used. A legend ensures that everyone reading the drawing gets the same understanding of the drawing. Electrical drawings are essential for the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems. Initially, architects and engineers designed safe and efficient electrical drawings during the design stage based on customer requirements and environmental concerns. Architects and engineers design safe and efficient drawings to install wires, outlets, switches, and fixtures in the correct locations. This ensures that everything works as intended and meets safety standards. Electrical drawings remain important during maintenance and troubleshooting, as they help identify problems quickly and safely, prevent accidents, and ensure that the electrical system continues to function properly. Understanding basic electrical drawings establishes a deeper understanding of the electrical systems around us. This knowledge enables a person to communicate more effectively with electricians, make informed decisions about the electrical setup of a home or building, and appreciate the importance of safety in electrical work.